Here is another one of those things you might not be aware of. As a matter of fact, I was not aware of it. And that's the fact that you have a minimum spacing depending upon the size and materials of the rim joist and the nails being used. That will go into the top edge of the rim joist. And I'll provide you with the two pamphlets that I found in the video description area. And if I remember, I'll put it in the comment area also. And let's not forget that you can use thicker materials or add additional blocking in some cases or additional joist. So let's go ahead and get started with a 16D nail and an 8D nail. I do not have these to scale, but the problem that I could not find an answer for, and if you have any information on this, feel free to share it with us in the comment area, is the problem that you're going to run into after you nail the framing plates with 16D nails through the subfloor and into the rim joist. That would create a problem with the minimum on-center spacing. And the other nails that you are going to have problems with will be the nails going through the floor sheathing. So if I have a 6-inch on-center diaphragm nailing around the perimeter of the floor, and then I go ahead and install a 16D nail, and the minimum spacing is 4 inches, for example, then you could see where it's going to create a problem. Because in reality, I wouldn't be able to put a nail anywhere in here without encroaching on the area on either the right or left side of both of these nails. And the 16D nails are spaced 16 inches on center. And you can see where this one here is almost right next to the other one. And the reason why they don't want the nails close to each other is because it could split the rim joist. So let's go ahead and install our framing plate to give you an idea of what I'm talking about. And I believe the manufacturer would like to have the nails centered, even though they do provide you with, I believe, a 3/8 inch minimum spacing from the edge and a 1/2 inch spacing if you're going to need to stagger the nails. And how I came across this information was doing some research off of another YouTube video that I saw that used LVL materials instead of the timber strand materials that is usually associated with the installation of 4-truss floor framing systems. So I think what you're going to need to do is check with your engineer on record or even the material manufacturers, because the only answer I found about dealing with this problem here was that you would need to add additional materials. For example, a block on this side maybe that you could use to install more nails if this isn't going to work or be approved by the manufacturer or the job site engineer. And I really don't even know if this is a big deal. I did a lot of work for years when these products first came out and they didn't have as much technical details as they do today. And I'm pretty sure those homes are still standing. And thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, let us know by hitting the thumbs up button or letting us know in the comment area.